every product has a journey. And every technology has a journey. First of all, you invent the technology, then you develop the product based on that invention, then you do a pilot production, then you develop manufacturing techniques, IPs as well. So all of these things needed a full-fledged different segments of companies which can do all of that, these tasks. So that's how we took it. We developed the technology in Kilowatt Labs. The technology was initially developed in 2009 by me. Then we incorporated Kilowatt Labs in 2015, November 2015. After that, we developed the full technology. We did testings. We developed basic product in that, and the patents were filed. So all the basic paperwork and whatever needs to start our technology, and we did that. Later on, we did some decisions which was related to set up a factory in the Middle East. We got an opportunity to get Middle Eastern investment from Dubai. So we incorporated in Fusion Power Industries, which was with the local partner. Then we did an offtake company, which was buying everything Infusion Power was producing. That was Infusion Solar Energy Systems LLC. Then later on, we did EV technologies and WRL technologies, INC. We developed high energy density supercapacitor cells itself in that company, which can fit in electric vehicle. Then we did another company which was Build Green Technologies, BGT. BGT primary role was develop the infrastructure of electric vehicles. So charging infrastructure, their monitoring and controlling softwares, their OCPP-based platforms, managing management systems and all of that. So that was done in BGT. And then, there was a time when we started receiving IPO offers. So at that time, we decided that every investor of this company should get benefit out of it. There should not be one beneficiary or one company, one individual, one company, or all who has been part of this whole journey, every team member should be benefited. So we decided to consolidate all of these companies into one. In order to do that, we incorporated ENERCAP Holdings Pte. Ltd. in Singapore, and we are in process of rolling up all of these companies. Most of them has been done. A few of them are in process. So very soon, all the investors will be rolled up. Whosoever is willing, that's his choice to roll up. And at one point, will be one holding company, which will be having all the values consolidated at one point, and that company will be our go-to IPO, entity or vehicle, and from there we will be, going to stock market. Now, for the branding. So branding was also very confusing at one stage. Designing a technology was one part, inventing a technology was one part, then developing the product was another part. And this is an endless process. Still, R&D for product development will never end. R&D for technology development may stop at one stage, but yes, for product development is never ending. So we have been improving, modifying this for a long time, and we ended up to the cell and the technology which we are doing now. In Kilowatt Labs, we were doing technology around supercapacitors to make them work like a battery. But in other companies, we developed the supercapacitors itself, right? And we developed digital supercapacitors, which we named encapsulated supercapacitors. So this is what we have been doing in different companies. And now there is a time to consolidate all of them. And we have decided to give them one brand, which is ENCAP. ENCAP is encapsulated capacitor, which is our latest technology, has highest energy density and carries the most advanced features, and it is a digital cell by itself. So that's how, a lot of companies